Hello, my name is Natalie Rodriguez, and I am the project coordinator for the Green Action Fund. The aim of the Green Action Fund is to reduce the ecological footprint of UCCS and promote a sustainable environment through social and economic values by sponsoring a variety of student-led projects. We have a student-run committee on campus that oversees the funding of projects, research, and conference grants that come through each semester. As the Green Action Fund is a student-funded grant, it's crazy to think that GAF has funded over $1.1 million in grants over the past 8 years, as well as over 138 different projects. As you can see, GAF gets grants from all across the board. They range and are extremely diverse, but one thing that they always have in common is that they relate back to sustainability and promoting sustainability, whether it's on campus or all the way in Africa. As several other presenters will be touching on GAF-funded projects, I will stick to discussing one of my absolute favorites, and that is the GLI Food Storage Project. So the purpose of the project is to design sustainable food storage for the farmers who live in the rural areas with limited access to adequate infrastructure and roads. So the farmers in this area mostly travel by boat, and by the time that they have access to a boat and get to where they're going, which is the local market, it can take anywhere between 45 minutes to 2 hours. So this in turn has limited their ability to transport food to the local market, and this particular community relies on agriculture and both growing it to eat and also growing it to sell in order to survive. So the food storage structure that 4 engineering students that submitted this grant designed will serve as a storage hub for all the farmers who reside along Lake Bunyoni in Uganda. This project serves to improve access while providing a sustainable solution to reduce overall food poverty while also contributing to their livelihoods. It's an awesome project, and I'm so excited to see where it goes. There are 2 main ways of getting involved with GAF. The first being to join our committee. GAF strives to make this experience as hands-on as possible. The student-run committee is all volunteer-based and offers the opportunity to take on a role as an executive committee member or as a general committee member. If you take on a role as an executive committee member, it also doubles as an internship, and it provides a lot of hands-on experience and mentoring in order to design each role for exactly the experience you need. We actually have 2 executive positions opening up this spring. We have 2 people graduating. Congratulations, Hannah and Josh. But we do have the chair position opening up and also the vice or co-chair position opening up. So if you would like any information about either one of those executive committee roles, definitely shoot me over an email. My email is attached at the very last slide of this presentation, and I would love to hear from you. So the second way to get involved is actually by submitting a proposal. So GAF offers 4 different proposal types. So we have the small grant, the large grant, the research seed grant, and also a sustainable conference grant. And we've had students each semester, apply for each and every single one of these categories. And the most common one for students is definitely taking advantage of that sustainable conference grant in order to travel to different professional conferences to present their research. And it's definitely been a great opportunity for those students. So if it's something that you are interested in, definitely reach out. And then we also have grants that are submitted, as low as $200, and then we also have grants that are over $30,000. And then we have several departments right now that have a research grant out, and they are working with students in order to incorporate just that hands-on learning and research experience, and being able to bring their students into that experience so that by the time that they are done with their class, they have that to add to their skill set, which is amazing. I really wish that I had that experience as an undergrad for sure.